This is putting in what the old people have done for so long. Understanding country, knowing how to read country, knowing what country needs, understanding the identity of country and all its values. That's the way Aboriginal people have been a part of evolving this landscape. People have evolved with country. And when the European came here, they saw a beautiful country. They saw old trees, beautiful landscapes. And the old people maintained that for generations and generations and generations. And so now it's a healing phase for us. It's bringing back that identity, and there's a lot of work to do. So a whole new leaf needs to happen. And the country's telling us that. The reports tell us that, and the people tell us that from community. And so this is where the turning point needs to happen, not just environmentally and the work on the country, but also socially, how we get all the agencies working and supporting each other, including private landholders, mining companies, forestries, universities. All of that needs to fall under the one thing, and that is people and country and stepping on the stepping stones that we've missed in the past. And the more that we demonstrate that interconnectedness, and the more that we get people working together, then the brighter the future will be, and especially for our younger generations, because this sort of work needs to happen forever. And if we're going to reverse the damage that's done to this country, and if we're going to bring back the old growth forests, and if we're going to bring back one of the oldest cultures in the world to be strong in every part of this country, then we all need to work together. And so it's really crucial now today that all agencies are working together, from national parks, you name it, everyone. They all have to come to the round table and support region by putting people back on country, because that's what's missing. People, the right people looking after the land and putting people back onto country the way it always has been for thousands of years. The tireless words that come from our elders stating the problems if we don't look after our land through thousands of years of experience. And that's what we aim for into the future. People, country and environment evolving again to a strong, healthy culture into the future. And all I can say is that when the young people are exposed to this and they learn this knowledge, they want to throw their lives at it. So it's up to us now, all us older ones and every living person that's alive today, regardless of your age, that we are the turning point, and the turning point for generations to come to bring this country back to health, the healthy way it should be, and the opportunities that come from that as well.